Welcome. If you've been wondering how to log out of your Snapchat account, you're in the right place. Whether you're switching devices, taking a break, or simply want to keep your account private, I'll walk you through the fastest and easiest way to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Give it a second to load completely. Next, look to the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This brings up your personal profile page where you can see your Snap score, friends, and various account details. Now move your eyes to the top right corner of this same page. You'll see a small gear icon. That's your Settings button. Tap it to open the Settings menu. Inside Settings, you'll notice a long list of options related to your account, privacy, and app preferences. Scroll all the way down until you find the option that says Log Out. It's usually near the very bottom of the screen. When you tap on Log Out, a pop-up message will appear asking if you're sure you want to log out of Snapchat. This step is just there to make sure you don't leave your account by accident. Go ahead and tap Log Out again to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Snapchat account. The app will take you back to the main login screen, where you can either sign in again using your username and password or switch to a different account. If you ever want to log back in, just open the app, enter your details, and you'll be right back where you left off. All your chats, memories, and settings will still be there. Remember, logging out is a great way to protect your privacy, especially if you share your device with others or use multiple accounts. It takes just a few taps and keeps your information safe and secure. That's all for today's guide on how to log out of Snapchat. Thanks for watching.